Said that nigga crashed, he off the drink, that nigga moving like he fucking loose. Alright, that was kind of bad. Hold on.
That was ass.
That was ass.
Me and my nigga, cause we ain't got no time to side. We getting money, you know that we working every day till the night. Here,
that was ass.
Here, no, it wasn't. Here, take the bunt. No, it wasn't. Me and my nigga, cause you know we by the side. You know, every day we grinding every fucking night.
Hold on,
we got that
clear,
pole and nigga run up. We gonna shoot that pipe.
No.
Nigga,
Speak more clear.
you
One
know,
more time.
she sucking pipe. You know, she sucking motherfucking cock. She sucking my balls.
Whatever.
You know, see the sweat on the walls. You know, we grinding every day. We trying to get all the calls. We trying to get all the pays. We trying to get all the malls.
Haley says put a beat on for him rap.
Put a beat on for him rap.
I got
no.
I got you.
No.
I got you.